Hi friends, this is Gautam. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about Cisco tricky questions. We can see. So this is my scenario. Here I am using two ACL statement. So first ACL statement is access-list 1 permit 10.0.0.0 and wildcard mask is 0.1.255.31 and second ACL statement is access-list 10 deny 172.16.128.96 and wildcard mask is same 0.1.255.31. So you have to find out how many networks are allowed and denied from the above two ACL statement and each network how many IP addresses are allowed. So you have to find out answer for this question. So for reference, you have to check my YouTube channel. I already put one video session for ACL tricky question and answer. So once you watch that concept, then you can watch this video. So definitely you can able to answer my question. Okay friends. And answer for this question we can discuss on next video session. Thank you for watching my videos. So if you have any queries, please drop me email fgowthamraj1@gmail.com. So this is my YouTube channel name. So you can go to my YouTube channel and check the rest of the concept from my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my videos.